Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam games Unreal Engine 4 crashing on startup. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click on Start menu and select Device Manager. Then, expand Display Adapters, find your graphics card, right-click, select Update Driver, and search for drivers. Make sure the latest drivers are installed. Next, open your Steam library, right-click the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, and browse to the game.x. Right-click, select Properties, Compatibility, then check Disable Full Screen Optimization, Run as Administrator, and Windows 8 Compatibility. Back in Steam, verify integrity of game files. In Steam Properties, under Launch Options, try -DX11 or -DX12. If issues persist, remove launch options and restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix Steam games Unreal Engine 4 crashing on startup. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!